it's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video. I just get you a quick update. I injured my shoulder badly, and I have a bit of financial problem, and then this corona crisis came up. But I hope you and your whole family and friends are safe, and enjoy the video. That I forgot, I can't see any chassis number, so I have to match that. Can't see anything. So the good thing is the chassis number is matching. That's you. Okay. So if you see here now, it's more clear. I dig the numbers out. The first few one is, so it's matching. That's a good thing. Come on, focus. Just want to focus. You have to be really careful of this. I'm gonna take the LPG line out because I don't want LPG on. So let's see how we go. So that's the LPG line. To take all out. So for the start, I have to take all this out. Took the line out. It's almost done. The good thing is the filler. Put it there. They usually put on. They put a hole here and they put it on the body, but this one, it's in there. So I have to take that tank out too. I'm trying to put the fuel line in, but no hole. I think the hole should be somewhere around here, I'm guessing, and he blocked it. I will scrap a little bit with this to see if I can find where the hole is. So after scraping, I find out he blocked the hole there, so I have to drill this out so I can get my fuel line in. And the bad news is I bought this fuel tank a while ago and I thought it's a good one, but now I find out there's a rust there. I sanded back and then all these holes came out. No good. So I'm not going to connect the fuel line at the moment. I might just put a little bottle here, maybe around there, and connect it to the fuel pump and connect it to the carby for now, because that fuel tank is really dangerous to use. It's just got holes and I can't do welding and stuff at the moment. So I've got two yokes. This is for my transmission, but unfortunately this one doesn't fit my transmission. This is a bit narrow here, so I'm gonna exchange that with this one, and that will fit my transmission, hopefully. Finally I took the uni joint out. Thank you from this, and a hammer and my vice grip. I bent the handle, so that's what it is. I could see that it's not bad actually. It looks like it's been changed. This is not the original. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on the other one. So that's what it is. I have to clean up this one. Okay, it's all done and beautiful. Let's put on the car. This is the radiator I'm going to use. It's not a really good condition, but I'm gonna wash it a bit better. It looks like there's no hole in it, so for now it's okay. So it's been washed and I'm gonna put it on. I think this is the right bracket. Should be, and that's a left. Okay. Okay, it's in. Hopefully. It's just a bit too big. Anyway. It should be alright.